Do you get paid on an hourly basis? That's the old way of doing things. Nowadays, we can get paid by the minute. It will not, however, necessitate any social media activity or following, nor will it necessitate any selling surveys or technological knowledge. This is still the simplest way for beginners to make a lot of money online while leaving the work to the pros. Imagine becoming your own boss. You'll have unlimited resources and time to suit your requirements. You'll be able to pay your expenses, obtain material necessities like as cards, houses, and the like, and you'll be able to support your friends and family financially. Not only will your decision to make money online benefit you, but it will also benefit those around you. So right now, attempt this new way so that I can assist you. I'm presuming you're new to this online money-making method, but if you aren't, I strongly advise you to give it a try because, believe me, it'll be a piece of cake for you. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. Let's start with Skillshare.com. This website has a wide range of online workshops, video training, and courses. On this platform, customers can enroll in a range of classes and watch a variety of videos. You're undoubtedly wondering how we'll monetize our website at this point, and that's exactly what we'll talk about next. Go to the website's homepage and scroll down to the bottom, where you'll see Become a Teacher under the teaching area. Click on it to be led to this page, where you can create a free account as a teacher and start posting videos on this website. Don't worry, you won't have to create any videos because I'll show you how to instantly upload pre-made videos. It'll be a lot easier than you think, and I'll take you step by step through the procedure. So here's how it works on Skillshare.com. First, you must make your first class. Then you must submit videos to this website, and every time someone enters and watches the video, you will start earning money, which is paid per minute. Many people make thousands of dollars a year simply by uploading videos to this network. Moving forward, let's look at this piece right here. How can I earn money? Which simply indicates that you'll make money through monthly royalties and referral bonuses based on how long people watch your videos. There are now two ways for us to make money on our platform. The first is to make these videos or courses available on this site, referring them to the platform, which I'll show you later, is another approach. So returning to the homepage, all you have to do now is click on this green button here that says Start a Class. And you'll be taken to a page where you can upload your video tutorials or courses, but you won't be creating them yourself. So stay tuned because I'll show you where we can get this done for your videos in a minute. I'll show you a few examples right now. I'll go to this graphic design website if I click the Browse button at the top. As you can see, this platform has a large following, so you can be confident that if you publish a video here, you'll start earning money straight away. This video playlist, for example, was submitted by a content creator, and as you can see, there are a lot of videos in just one playlist, ranging in length in from 1 minute to 10 minutes. So while I'm watching this video, the uploader is getting money by letting others watch it as well, because people from all over the world will be able to see your video when you copy and paste it on here. This is a terrific opportunity for you to generate passive revenue. To begin, go to renderforest.com. a website where we may obtain and upload free videos, and then go to Skillshare.com. a well-known company where you can receive multimedia materials prepared for the time being. Simply click the Make Videos button at the top of this toolbar to be brought to this website, which states video templates that meet your demands. I favor Render Forest because you can choose from a variety of video themes for free. And these are not just any old videos, they're professionally produced, and you can obtain them all just a few clicks and no expenditure. If you don't have access to a computer, that's not an issue. You can also do this on your phone, which is a nice benefit. With that in mind, I recommend going with the whiteboard animation toolkits because there are a lot of people who are interested in this sector, which is beneficial when publishing it as a Skillshare.com training course. So all you have to do now is click on this link, which will take you to a page titled Whiteboard Animation Toolkit. In a nutshell, I'd want to demonstrate how it looks using this whiteboard tutorial video templates, which are identical to what you're seeing right now. All you have to do now is visit this website and click the Create Now button to be led to a page where you can begin producing a new video. You'll be given 3 options to pick from. I'd like you to load a preset so that you can choose a plot. Simply click the Generate button once you've decided to load a preset. You'll be taken to this page where you'll find a variety of pre-made tales to choose from, as well as several done-for-you videos that you can download for free from Render Forest and publish to Skillshare. All that remains is for you to select a video to upload to Skillshare. If you don't have time to click on your favorite video and then check the preview, you can simply click on this Utilize Ready Story button right here to be sent to this website where you may customize everything about the video. You may use this to upload video, alter specific text, and pretty much anything else. By picking a style from the buttons above, you can alter the look and feel of your animation in the video. The website will then show you options like these, which allows you to modify the appearance and feel of your video animation. Then, next to the Style button, choose a color from the drop-down box. You can choose the main color of your video right here, or skip this step if you prefer it as is. Finally, choose Music from the drop-down box next to the Style button. You can choose your video soundtrack right here, or skip this step if you prefer it to be left alone. After you've finished all of that, click this Preview button to see the completed video, which you've already somewhat altered. Remember, this website is absolutely free to use, and you may get a lot of your assets from renderforest.com. You may also utilize the same approach to make more instructional videos for Skillshare.com by using new themes or videos with different tales, and that's it. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring the notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.